So, what is SeventhWave and what do we do? As I mentioned on the homepage, SeventhWave is a learning and development company, and we specialise in taking talent from engaged individuals and turning them into fantastic leaders and managers. The way we do this is by taking your teams and your talent on a journey of 6 workshops. And I'll talk through those now. The first workshop is all about getting to know yourself, because we strongly believe in getting to know yourself is the first step in getting to know others and then starting on that path to leading them and managing them a lot more effectively. The second workshop faces into the challenges of being a great leader and manager, from giving and receiving feedback to managing change and to seeing how teams form. And the whole day is a kind of a reality check of how tough this journey can be. At the end of that day, we sit down with the team and we come up with a list of things they would really love to know and to be trained upon, that they can apply pragmatically the next day in many cases. What would they really want to understand and know in order to make them great leaders and managers? We then take that list and we design the remaining workshops based on the needs of those individuals and the needs of the company. And that forms part of workshop 2. The remaining workshops, workshops 3 to 5, are based purely on what the request from the group was. So we take those requests and we turn them into learning modules, and those learning modules are very pragmatic and very applicable. We test that learning, we kind of kick it about, we build the models together, and then we talk about how we're going to apply it. Workshop 6 is all about application. We reflect on the whole journey, we think about the 5 workshops we've been on, what we've learned and how we've applied it. We then ask one of the senior leaders to come into the room, and we spend some time working with that leader, discussing real business issues that are out there and how this group then can help solve some of those issues. The workshops end with a celebration of the timeline, about what we've achieved and the successes within the group over the 6 months together.